and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango, and especially in this slow-motion tango section.
We want to show you a side SACADA for the follower coming from across.
It will be a fun figure, so get ready and let's start working. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies, so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlists, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com, and now we go back to the video.
Thank you very much for making it all the way until the end of this video.
Before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and like, it really helps.
Once again, thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!